Port Albert, Victoria, Australia. A beautiful place to spend a day on the water. The advice from the professionals in the area on this day was there are no fish around, it is too cold. So we went out and had a look and saw what we could catch. It was a beautiful day, sitting in the sun. We've had the lockdown COVID, sitting in our houses for about a month. Sitting on the water, bobbing around, hoping to catch a fish was just so beautiful. Yeah. The facilities and the boat ramp at Port Albert are absolutely magnificent in Victoria. That's a credit to the town. Port Albert is just a lovely place to spend some time. You don't need a boat, just wander around, check out the museum, look at the beautiful locations around. It's close to the Wilson's Promontory and many other tourist attractions. I've come looking for pippies, we haven't found one yet. A beautiful day, beautiful spot. Grampians, not Grampians, what's it called? Wilson's Promontory over there in the distance. Well, we're heading home again. I think the professionals were right. All the fish have left. There was no fish caught, but what a way to spend the day in COVID 2020 lockdown. Sitting on the water, in the sun, relaxing. Hope you're all having a good time. See you guys. Port Albert is not the Sunshine Coast. It doesn't have a sandy beach, but it well and truly makes up for it with the history and the natural beauty of the location. And the fish and chips are the best fish and chips in Victoria. In summary, it's just a very beautiful place to spend a couple of days relaxing. See you guys.